When we're talking about boom and crash, we ain't talking about bombs and cars. Nah, nah, nah. ATG, super accurate.
What is up, ATG traders? This is Munya and welcome back to my trading channel. Today we're going to do a live trading session on boom and crash. So we're going to analyze and I'm going to show you guys what to expect this coming week on these indices. So make sure you pay very close attention and you write these trades down. Make sure you also place them on your accounts so that we make money together. The previous Sunday we did the same live trading session. I'm also going to show you the results of what that analysis did, right? So we're also going to go through this week's analysis and the previous week's analysis and see if we are making any progress. If you're new to this channel, make sure you click that subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so that you're notified each and every time I post this kind of video, so that you don't miss a single video. I'm adding a lot of content to this channel and I'll make sure you guys improve your trading journey correctly. So as usual, if you want to get free VIP access, make sure you comment down below what you think is going to happen to these indices. I will pick a winner each and every Sunday. So to get free VIP access where I send signals daily, just comment what you think is going to happen to these indices that you're going to analyze today, and I'll pick a winner following Sunday and you'll be added. Okay, and we have a free Telegram channel where I post updates and activities and signals and analysis, and the link is down below. Just go click the link and join the Telegram channel, share it with your friends, family, so that you get the same help as you are getting. Okay, now let's get right into today's business. This is the previous week's analysis. We're looking at boom 500 in the daily time frame, and we predicted that we're going to buy once we reach this zone, and exactly as we predicted, we can see that we had our sell and we had our buy arrows coming out correctly, right? We had our buy arrows coming out correctly. If you really enjoy trading, we have a song that you can check out here on this channel. Also leave a link for it so that you can play that song, get motivated while you're trading, and get inspired to do more. Okay, so this is what happened to boom 500 in the previous week. It went exactly as we predicted. You can also check the previous video and compare the two so that you know that we mean serious business here. We can also check crash 500, which played along exactly as we said. We said we're not going in an uptrend. We're supposed to buy around this zone, and as you can see, we even went past our predicted take profit level all the way to these upper levels right there. Okay, so again, this is crash 500 in the daily time frame, played out exactly as we predicted. So let's check out crash 1000. Again, we predicted that we're going to enter a sell trade from this zone and continue going down in the sell, and as you can see, this is what happened. I'll go to the daily time frame so that you can get a clear picture of where we entered and where the price actually went. So now it's actually trying to recover back up, but we'll get back to that as soon as possible. And then lastly, we talked about boom 1000, and again I'll go to the daily time frame so you can clearly see what we predicted and what actually happened. So we predicted a sell from this point, which was our resistance point. We said you're trying to hit down here, right? And as you can see, we have clear bearish candlesticks following each other, meaning that our trades were successful. So all four trades that we predicted in the previous video all came out correctly. So now let's look or let's analyze what to expect this coming week. We'll start with boom 1000, and with boom 1000 for this week, we are still predicting that at least price should break this previous low because we are saying we are in a downtrend and we're expecting that we're now breaking lower lows, right? So we're expecting price to continue driving down and break this previous low and probably reach our blue line, our blue trend line, which you see right there. So we're expecting a continuation somewhere this point. This is for BOOM 1000. Why? Because we're saying we're in a downtrend, so we expect these lower lows to continue being broken as we go down in a downtrend. Channel that you see right here represents a downtrend, the channel that is guided with these blue lines. Okay, so I'm hoping to keep on selling, but mostly my position, I'm going to close it around this stage, because we can expect a slight reversal and then maybe price will continue pushing back down. But for those that had entered last Sunday, you know what to do. We keep on trailing sell, we keep on trailing this sell. And for those that are re-entering, we're most likely going to at least reach this point, and from this point say that we'll continue going down or we'll receive a support on our price, right? So that's for BOOM 1000. Let's go to Crash 1000. Crash 1000 is having to recover from a series or from a downtrend. So what I have noticed is we now have a trend, something like this, that we are now following a channel instead, guided by these two blue lines. And in this channel, we are now expecting price to start driving back up, right? As you can see, we're moving up again to recover. So we're going to extend this resistance zone. To extend this resistance zone to somewhere around here where price previously broke. We also have another major point right about there. So once we break this resistance we know it's full force going up, right? Something like this, up until we reach probably the top trend line, which you see right around here. You can also check our lower time frames and see if you are moving in correlation. So we have something like this, and we are saying this drop, the same as this drop, we're expecting price to at least recover to anywhere within this region, right? So we're expecting price to recover up to anywhere within this region. You can already see that we have smaller breakouts happening within our lower time frame. We have a breakout from this channel, smaller channel. Oh, it's clear to you guys. We have sort of like a breakout and a retest happening around this point, and we expect price to keep on driving up and up and up, cover from this downward fall. Okay, moving on, we're going to Crash 500, and here is how Crash 500 is currently behaving. We're in our daily time frame. It seems like we are receiving support at this zone, meaning price is trying to push back up. Already we established that we're in an uptrend when we drew these two blue lines that are guiding the uptrend. You can also see that we failed to break this previous low, so meaning that price is in upward trajectory. You can also see that it's also respecting this trend right here, and we're expecting a bounce, and we're expecting price to at least cross over the previous high, right? Show that we are completely in an uptrend and we're completely bouncing off this trend line right there. Maybe let me change color for this one. Can try and put it maybe deep pink. You guys can see, okay, yeah, something like this. So this is Crash 500, and then lastly we'll look at Boom 500, see what it has in store for us. So for Boom 500, the overall analysis right here is, as you can see, this was the previous low. Price came back down, we broke the previous low, we retraced up, came back down, broke the previous low, went back up, failed to break the previous high. So yes, price can try and play around this zone, but eventually we're going to drop back down, break the previous low, and continue in this downward channel, right? So this is the anticipated move for Boom 500 so far. So this is all for today. If you guys really enjoyed this video, make sure you like this video. It really helps me so much. Make sure you subscribe. We're about to hit 25,000 subscribers, which is a big milestone for this channel. Growing, and probably as we grow, we're going to improve. So make sure you support us by clicking the subscribe button. Until next time.